Here we are looking at a completely blank page in the Zenler page designer. Let's add a block to this by going up to the top left-hand corner, clicking on blocks, and then we're shown a slide-out menu with lots of different block categories. You can select whichever one you would like. Let's start with the gallery for this example. We click on gallery, it then shows us all of the available blocks for gallery that we can pick from. Highlighted next to it is a magnified version of any one of these blocks, so you get a better sense of what's in the block before you drag it to your page. Let's use the very first one. Let's simply drag it to the page, drop it here, and there we have our first block. Notice that the block comes with 100 pixel spacing at the very top, also 100 pixel spacing at the very bottom. And you'll see here there's the row containing the two graphical images. And let's say we want to add a heading to this. Well, the heading itself has to go within a row. So let's go up to the elements selection here. We click on it. Shows us a menu of all the possible elements we can pick from. Let's add a row, single column row, drag it, drop it here at the very top, add element, and I'm going to add a H1 heading size. Goes over to the very left. So notice this is in a row, and there's the element itself in its red container. So let's move it to the center by going to settings within the row. The settings menu pops out from the right. If we go over to the settings menu, look down here, it says alignment left. I want it to be aligned center. I'll click on left. It'll show me the menu. Simply click on center and the heading goes into the middle of the page, just as I wanted it to do. And let's say that I don't like the amount of space that's between this heading and the very top of the page, then I can very easily slide this up and move it up to 20 pixels, which I think looks pretty good.